welcome to my channel Be Your Best Beautiful. Winters are on the verge of starting and so is the festive season. So the nearest festival which is coming by is Navratri. So I thought of doing a Navratri or a Durga Puja look. It's a completely traditional look. So I'm wearing a beautiful Sambalpuri sari. Today I have done a very neutral eye and a bold lipstick. I think I really love the look. I hope you also love it. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So whatever products I have used, I will be mentioning each and every link in the description box, so do check it out. So let's start with the makeup. I have really nicely washed my face with a face wash. So as we are going to prep the skin with the primer, so I am going to use my NELF primer for that. I'll take some product on the hand. I'm done with the primer. I will let this primer sit for at least a minute so that it settles in your pores really nicely. So it's been a minute. So the next step is to apply a concealer. So I'm going to use the Age Rewind Maybelline concealer. It's a very beautiful concealer, guys. I'm going to use my Miniso Beauty Blender for blending the concealer. I'm done with the concealer. Let's go to foundation. I'm going to use my MAC foundation. I'll take some product on my hand. I'm going to use the same beauty blender to apply the foundation. Next, I'm going to set my foundation with the powder. So I'm going to use my Maybelline powder. So the next step is to the eyebrows. So for the eyebrow, I'm going to use the Ultimate Wet n Wild Brow Kit. It's the most amazing kit ever. Do try it, guys. It's really nice. Two shades, one a lighter brown and one a darker brown. So I'm going to line the eyebrows with the darker shade and I'm going to fill in with the lighter shade. I'm done with my eyebrows. So the next step is to do an eyeshadow. So today I'm going to go with a neutral eye look because I'm going to go with bold lips. So never combine boldness in both the eye as well as lips because it will look too much. So I think you should basically balance it. So if you feel going for a nude lipstick, you can definitely work on your eyes and make it more dramatic, like smoky eyes or some other eye look. And if you want a very neutral eye look, go with a bold lipstick. The contrast, it will basically balance your whole look and make you look really good. So I'm going to go with these two shades. This is a matte kind of eyeshadow. It's the light brown and this is a beautiful bronzy gold shade. So I'm going to take this particular shade, this matte brown, really nicely on my eyeshadow brush. Tap the excess amount and I'm going to apply it all over my crease. Now with the help of my ring finger, I'm going to take this beautiful bronzy gold shade and I'm going to place it all over the lid. I'm going to dab it, guys. Can you see? Can you see the matte brown eyeshadow is cutting this beautiful bronzy gold shade? And with your hands only, just try and blend both the eyeshadows really well. Can you see it, guys? So I'm done with the eye look. So the next step is to apply an eyeliner. So I'm going to use my Sugar eyeliner. It's in the shade 01 Black Swan. I'm going to do a wing line today. I'm done with the eyeliner. So the next step is to apply kajal. I'm going to use my Maybelline Colossal Kajal. I'm going to apply it on my waterline as well as on my tight line. Next, I'll take some black eyeshadow, a little bit. I'm going to line it just below the waterline. Next step is to use a mascara. So I'm going to use my Wet n Wild mascara. I'm done with the mascara. The next step is to use a blush. I'm going to use my Essence Matte Blush. Take a brush, take some product, smile. So beautiful cheeky pinky blush, guys. The next step is to apply a highlighter. So I'm going to use the Sugar highlighter. I'm going to take my ring finger and take some product. Apply it on the nose, Cupid's bow, on the brow bone so that the brow looks a bit lifted. A little bit on the inner corner of your eyes. Last step is to use a lipstick. So I'm going to use my Maybelline lipstick. It's in the shade Ruby Red. It's a beautiful red shade, guys. Here it is. So I'm going to apply this. The last step is to set the makeup with a setting spray. So I'm going to use my NYX setting spray. It gives a beautiful matte dewy finish. So close your eyes. So I'm going to complete my look with these beautiful little earrings. I'm going to wear these beautiful bangles. Now these are real glass bangles, which is called as Songkha in Odia. So I'm going to wear these. So yeah, for my hair I've just done a simple puff and then just added a bun, and I've added a simple hair accessories. I have a lot of pins on my hair. So yes, it's a very simple hair, guys. So that's the complete look, guys. I hope you like it, and if you like it, please like it, please share it with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment section of what should I do next. Till then, take care.